Hello everybody, my name is Claire and welcome to my channel. Today I will be teaching you how to pack for holiday and travel. Are you ready? I'm not ready. So, what will be the first thing you're worrying about? Of course, your clothes, right? You will definitely need to pack your clothes. Count how many days you're going and how many sets of clothes you'll need. For example, I'm going to Xiamen from... What day is it today? Today's Wednesday. So I'm going to Xiamen from Thursday to Monday. So if we count, I would be waking up there on a Friday and a Saturday and a Sunday and a Monday. So 4 days in total where I will need to pack clothes for. So you can bring extra pairs of clothes or less pairs of clothes if you are going to recycle your clothes if you normally do that, or you can pack extra clothes if you know you're gonna get wet and you're just a bit worried. Remember to leave one set of clothes out for the day that you are traveling over there, because technically you will only be packing for the days that you would wake up at that place, I guess you could say that. Also, you have to pack a pack of pajamas. When you're packing your clothes, and you're thinking about what kind of clothes to bring, you can think about like what kind of occasion it is and like the weather. For example, if you are going to like a place to take pictures, for example the beach, you would probably bring a few dresses and fancy clothes to take pictures in. I mean, like, it's fine even if you don't bring fancy clothes and go to the beach and take pictures, but like it would be nice to have some fancy clothes, right? If you know you're going to a place where it's really hot, probably want to pack some shorts and short sleeve shirts. Short sleeve shirts. Yeah, I got it. The alliteration. Is that alliteration? I haven't been in school for a while, so yeah, you can excuse me for forgetting all my English terms. After you've got the number of clothes that you need, you can like fold it and then roll it up. It's super efficient for saving space because when you're putting things into your luggage, you can slot it in nicely. Or what I like to do is I like to put everything in different bags. To do things more strategically, you should probably roll up your clothes in a way that fits your bag first before you roll it up. Oh dear, I'm so tired. It's so warm. I want to sleep. Okay, so the second thing you would definitely need is toiletries. I have like this whole amazing organized cupboard here full of toiletries and soaps that I would probably suggest you bring soaps, shampoos, and conditioner. Also, it probably has to be under 70 or 100 ml. I'm not really sure, but I think it's different for different countries and airlines. You should probably go get that checked out. Unlike me, I won't get that checked out. It smells nice. Can you smell it? Wow. You're supposed to pretend it smells nice, even if you can't smell it. You need shampoo. So I'm gonna bring these two. I'm gonna pretend 100 grams, 100 ml. Instead of bringing like separate conditioner and soap, you can just bring a 3-in-1. I need conditioner, so I'm just gonna take this one here because I don't have a nicely packaged one. I have these nicely packaged Ziploc bags already. Perks of organizing your room. I'm gonna use my Ziploc bags for my toiletries. I will keep all my soaps, shampoos, and conditioner in a separate bag from my other toiletries. Shout out to Nushka. This bag's amazing. I just brought all my other stuff that I would probably need. Toothpaste, pimple cream, brush, my brush. Contact lenses in there because I need glasses to see. To be safe, if you need contact lenses, you should probably bring like eye drop. My toothpaste has no more cap. Trying not to throw shade on the toothpaste brand for making crappy toothpaste bottles. I got a free toothbrush from the dentist. I still don't know how to open this. Amazing! Wow! Oh my gosh. Oh, wow. Okay, sorry. Also, you can always bring back more toiletries. This is all you need for your luggage. Now I will show you how I will pack my bag. I would probably suggest you bring a backpack instead of a tote bag. That's because I love my tote bag, so I'm just gonna use my tote bag. One thing that I would always pack out with me is wet wipes, tissue, hand sanitizer, because apparently people don't want to get vaccinated. Well, stress. I forgot to do something. Oh no. Okay, what was I doing? Right, I was packing my bag. I don't know if it's clean or not, but I'm just going to keep it in there. The school gave us this, just so nice. They gave this as like a COVID safety kit. Oh, maybe not safety, but like they don't really care about us. Do you remember this? How do I do this? Maybe I would need to go back and watch my YouTube videos. 500 years later, she is finally done with doing this. Okay, she is going to put it in her bag. Mosquito repellent. In this bag, this pouch that Coco gave me. Oh yes, shout out to Coco. My brush is supposed to go in here. So in this bag, I would put my battery pack, amazing earphones that Coco gave me. Okay, so I'm gonna roll this up. I remember I rolled it up before, and then I unrolled it. Tragedy of 2021. For all my wires, I would use a glasses case that can actually close. I put it in here. This wire is for my earphones and battery pack. Earphones and battery is my life. So I have this box for my eyes. I try to bring it up everywhere. I'm leaving this out for my big bag. I will be packing another bag because I really like it. You must be wondering the purpose of bringing two bags. This bag is just to bring all of my stuff to the place. I will leave this bag in the hotel, and to go out, I can just use this bag. Since I'm bringing my MacBook, I need to bring my charger. In this bag, what I usually put is just my battery pack, and I take out the wet wipes, and I put my hand sanitizer and tissue here. And hi guys, I'm done. Look, I finished packing. I just thought I'd film this to give you some motivation that you can finish packing this. Packing may be a thing that everybody procrastinates to do. Don't worry, even if you haven't packed and your flight's at like 6 a.m. the next day, you can always just start the night before. At the end, you can sit on your luggage. If you're procrastinating from going to pack right now, go and pack. Like right now. Like immediately. Go pack. You can do this. Bye. No wait, we shouldn't start with that. I'm sorry. Goodbye guys, I hope you enjoyed this video of, I'll film another one, I'm sorry. Goodbye guys, I hope you learned something from this video and found this video helpful. Don't forget to watch my other videos, including my cleaning vlog that I did not finish cleaning yet. Well, I guess I'll just crop this whole part out because apparently I can't talk and I don't know what I'm talking about and I forget what I'm talking about, even when other people remember what I'm talking about. How's that rap? Did I rap faster than Sugar? Anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, which is this channel that you are watching right now, unless somebody copied my video and uploaded it somewhere else on YouTube or Twitch. I don't really get how Twitch works, but I have a Twitch account. I use it for illegal streaming. You didn't hear me say that. Okay, anyways, have a nice day and enjoy your packing. Bye bye.